Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel. Memorizing characters, the most common Chinese radicals explained in English. In this video, let's talk about 四点。四点。Characters with the radical 四点 are often associated with fire or animal tails.四点 are commonly written on the bottom of a Chinese character. For example, 煎 means fry. 照 reflect. 燃 burn. 烈 intense. 稀 bright. 四点 related to animal tails such as 雁 swallow 熊 bear 高 lamb. When you write 四点 in cursive, you can write it like this. For example, 热 hot 点 dot 熟 ripe. 四点 fire or animal tails related. 煎 fry. 照 reflect. 燃 burn. 烈 intense. 稀 bright. 雁 swallow. 熊 bear. 高 lamb. 热 hot. 点 dot. 熟 ripe. Please comment any other words or sentence with the radical 四点. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.